I was not the meditative person right from the beginning. Honestly, I started meditation more as an obligation, almost as a favor to a friend who insisted I try it. But being a science teacher, I've always been deeply inquisitive. I needed logics, evidence, and understanding before committing to anything consistently. So I started reading research studies on meditation, and I understood that it probably had some positive effects on stress, focus, and the nervous system. But I wasn't completely sold on this because I wasn't feeling it when I was meditating. Then one day I came across a quote from Nikola Tesla, and where he said, if you want to find the secrets of the universe, think in terms of energy, frequency, and vibrations everywhere. And something that clicked. By then, I already understood one thing, that our thoughts are energy because we don't know what our next thought is going to be. And eventually, that translates into actions, habits, emotions, and ultimately, that is our reality. Plugging these ideas together suddenly made meditation feel less mystical and more scientific. Then another question arose. If thoughts come from the mind, then where exactly is mind? And most of us instinctively point somewhere around our head. I normally point it here. But if I ask you to draw the mind, same way as we draw heart, lung, kidney, or liver, can we draw that picture? No, because we had never seen that as a picture. So mind is more of a subtle energy. And then comes another scientific principle we all learned growing up. Energy can neither be created nor destroyed, but it can only be transformed from one form to another. Do you remember all that? So that idea changed the way I looked at consciousness itself. Maybe our thoughts are not just random noises. Maybe emotion carry frequencies. Maybe the energy we continuously hold within ourselves shapes not only our inner state, but we may experience the world around us. Meditation then stopped feeling like a religious ritual or wellness trend. It became an experiment in observing energy, the movement of thoughts, emotions, reactions, and awareness itself. The more I practiced, the more I realized the meditation was not becoming someone spiritual. It was more about becoming aware of what was already happening around us. And perhaps that awareness itself is where transformation begins. And that was my beginning of believing.